Hi, my name is Lado Marshania, and this is my graduation project, Marketplace, a fully functional web application. This app allows users to register, upload, sell items, and buy items direct through directly connecting to seller through a messaging system. I built it using Django. I used a remote PostgreSQL database on Google Cloud for the server, and I used also Table CSS for the front end. But of course, main focus was the backend. Let's take a look at our website. When we open up here, it's gonna show us the items, and let's take a look our apps. We have conversation app, core, dashboard, and item. Let's take a look at items. Here we have views.py. How we handle browse the items to filter the search. If we choose whichever category, as you can see here, it's gonna show clothes category only, trousers. We have here a details page. When we go through here, it's gonna show up the details of this application. Also, we have the create a new form, which has the login required. Without login, you can't use this option. I used Django's login and sign up forms for registration and to log in. Now I'm going to demonstrate how we can add a new item. Here's the forms for the new item here. The required forms, category, name, description, price, and image. Now let's take a look at how we can add a new item here. Toys, let's say clothes, shirts. This is new, price 60. Let's choose the image, and before we submit, let's take a look here our database rows. As we can see here, now we have only 3 items, and if we submit here, it's gonna redirect us to the details page. And if we run this query again, as you can see here, new item has been added to the database. Here we have also the dashboard that's gonna show only our items. Dashboard has only one functionality here to show us our items. Here we have also the inbox, where we manage the messages. For example, I want this. We can direct connect to the seller from the details page. If we hit this contact seller, we have one message. If we send another, it is available. As you can see here, the messages, there is only one message right now. I want this item, and is it available? Oh, shit. Let's send here. Let's run the query again. As you can see, a new message has been added to the database. Now let's take a look. Our main app here. Let's take a look. Settings. How I configured the settings: I used import OS. I used .env to load database credentials. Where you can see here there's password, database host, and also here allowed host. There is external IP address of our database, which, as you can here see here, is the same. I used Docker Compose, Dockerize this application, and Nginx to mount static and media files. Some of the challenges that I faced was to Dockerize application and connect to remote database. These projects taught me how to use Django, how to use CRUD operations, how to connect to remote database, and how to create complex database